and I've done my best. So everything's
Good morning.
All right.
Smile, hurt the sun.
Continue. Go on.
Hey,
go on.
I don't know, bro. I give thanks to life. I'm just happy. Me happy, but just being alive. And although me have bills and all them something, yeah, man, me happy. I don't know about you in the power.
Of course, I'm happy, but you see, he's not the dance and things. So, yeah, man, I'm grateful.
You're beer too.
That's how we have it done. Welcome to Daytime Live, and a special welcome to our live audience here with us.
We
have some beautiful ladies from Miss Global Jamaica in the house today with us. And of course, give it up for Rich Rock. Big up yourself, my boss.
Rich Rock, you know something?
Rich Rock. Nah, I see it there.
Rich Rock, Rich Rock, that's so good. Rich Listen, if you're tuning in from One Spot Media, a hearty welcome. And we have a special show lined up for you today. Of course, it's Friday. And for the next couple of minutes, our studio audience, they can pull out their phones. They can go to Instagram, take out on the phones. Go to Instagram, search for TVJ Daytime Live, and hit the follow button. Take up. Because it's being vibes and nice. And yeah, you see the preview of them? You see the video of them away?
Yeah.
First.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Jody and the team.
Clicking.
Follow. I know, so when you see me, I'm powered up, I show you. Clicking. I know, so when you see Saeed, they will do it. Unfollow.
Yeah. All right, so if you want to be part of this mad vibe in the studio here, come on down to TVJ on Tuesdays and Fridays. The doors open at 12:15. Seating start 12:30 sharp. You don't want to be late. All right?
Yeah, so we'll kick off the show. The buzz in. All right, we'll kick off the show today, kick off Buzz with a very special segment of Buzz. Now, I'm not sure if most of you have heard about the situation which involves social media influencer and recording artist Kizzy, who went into early delivery while visiting Colombia. They now join us via Zoom along with recording artist Kiprich as they share an update on the health of the baby. Keep up! What go on, Papa? Yes. Keep up, Jamaica's newest father.
That is it.
Brand new,
Yes.
newest father.
Give thanks.
Keeper, give me a quick update as to last time person saw you here on the set of Daytime Live. Of course, Kizzy was in the advanced stage of pregnancy. You guys were happy, and you guys took a trip. So kind of just give me a quick breakdown as to between then and now.
All right. So the reason why I came here to Colombia, I had a show, a festival. Scheduled for January 17th for Quaisa Festival.
Right.
So, me and her, take the trip as always, because I always bring her any event where I go and all that kind of thing. I'm not leave her behind.
Your handbag, as you call her.
Yeah, you understand. So, what means now, because she was 6 months in pregnancy. So, like, we're there at the hotel and me and her say, boy, she feel some cramps. And I say, yeah. I said to her, say, all right, you are going. Because normally she feel cramps like here and there now and then. But when I said the whole uterus thing, when it has stretch and all that kind of thing, then you will feel a bit of cramp and everything, and then it will settle back again at ease. But this cramp was going anywhere, this cramp stay. And she said, no man, no, the cramps, so me I feel it different from the whole uterus stretching thing and that kind of thing. So I feel like something happened, and she ended up go to the bathroom and thing and she a spot, that thing they go on. So when we see that now, I say no, hospital, same time.
Right.
Started crying. She was wondering if it was like a miscarriage or whatever and thing, so she cried and me I said, no man, me not think so. when I think say boy you gonna reach this far now and then this a happen this way and thing. So anyway,
It turned out that early labor. She went in.
Yeah. So reach at the hospital and it turned out that it's early labor. Them tell me say boy she gonna have the baby tonight and thing, you know. Them try everything but them possibly can to keep the baby in gear how much antibiotic through the IV and all that kind of thing to keep the baby in, see if them can even hold her in fever 2 more weeks and thing, but that never worked.
Because at 6 months, right? Because at 6 months, not all of the baby's vital organs are developed. Right. So the longer.
Yeah, because the lung is not was not fully developed.
Right.
Yet. So they needed a bit more time to get that developed and you know. Just some kind of thing there. So even if she going born premature from the lung develop and thing, it will be a smoother ride.
Right.
But Miracle decides that she coming out now. Miracle is her name.
Right.
Yeah. So, congrats.
I wanted to ask about that. Was that her intended name, Miracle?
No, the doctor them and everybody say, yo, she is a miracle because all of she exceed every expectation because the doctor did look at me and tell me, say, boy, it's a 70-30. So 70 on the worst side.
Oh.
When some of it enough to prepare my mind when she come out. So they never expect her for come out too well. But when she come out and she make the little sound, them run with her because she make a little crying sound, you know. And them rush with her and them thing, them say them thing and normally happen at this stage, yeah. You know, and you know them go and them hook her up, string her up and all of that and thing and right. So all of the things where happen and the medicine them where them are here, she received all of the medicine them well. So them say, boy, this is a miracle because things don't normally happen. Them way here with them when them come out at this stage.
People,
you know,
we do have a whole heap of time. So so now she's born. Of course, she has been in the she's been an incubator for a little while, so that it's actually helping her to.
She's still in the incubator.
Right, but now you guys are in where you know.
All right, so I just land over to the other island where the bigger hospital is.
Right.
Where we were was San Andres, and San Andres is a small island. So you know the care they don't have all the resources to take care of her. So we have to come over to this other island. We just land here, and they're on their way coming over right now in a air ambulance.
And it's a situation now where you guys need the help. Persons have been reaching out, well-wishers, persons who have been tracking the pregnancy along with you guys. And it has been where persons can help via a GoFundMe. But what I'm getting to understand, you have persons who have been kind of negative towards that. Tell us a little
man, a lot of, which surprised me because, you know, say, boy, me in a Spanish-speaking place and it's like me get cornered, but back against the wall, right, and so on, you know, me look left, right, and I know where to turn because, I mean, I come do a show, yes, and me get money to do the show, yes, but when we start to see the bill them and all of the bills them, we have to deal with because, remember, being in a place where you know come from, you know nobody and you know have no insurance and all that kind of thing, it's a different ball game. You have to pay everything out of pocket.
Right.
So when me and my sister reason, she said, no, you can't put this on your own, you know. You have to go seek some help right now because you're dead, so you don't have no access to nothing at all. You know, and like in the States or there at Jamaica where you can move around 2 times and do what you have and what have you. See? So we have to go seek out some assistance. So that is why my sister did the whole GoFundMe,
which is still up and persons can contribute.
Yeah, man. It up there. It up the same way. And you know, me have to big up all of the people them who do them donation and you know I give the strength and all the people me send out the prayers and the kind words them. Me have to big up Spice because Spice write to me and you know she boy, me I tell her she pulled my heart. You know what I mean? When me and Spice reason for the whole thing and as I can say, Spice donated like 5,000. And I have to big up Steph London to also reach out to me. And Steph London did a donation to. She didn't do it on the GoFundMe. She asked me for a direct accounting and she did it there. And thing, you know what I mean?
Well, people, we have less than a minute The GoFundMe is still up. Persons, you can still contribute. But I think the overarching message is that right now there's a situation happening with one of our own, and it involves, of course, a small premature baby. So instead of being negative towards it, help as best as you can, or don't say nothing at all.
Exactly, because it's not for me. You understand me? I say all of this will happen here, so we never plan it out. It just happened. It's just unfortunate that we're in one place where we don't know if it turn.
Well, you
understand me? So
posted.
Everything we're there, so we have to go in our pocket and take care of everything. So.
Papa, keep us posted. Our prayers from Daytime Live are here with you. And, you know.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. And, you know, for all of the people who are sending the prayers, them just keep sending them same way because them are work. You know, all the prayers them are work and the quotes them want to tell me for say around the baby and over the baby and everything that them are work. You know, so we just there and, you know, we know the best I go forward. So, nothing to hope. You understand?
Big up Kizzy for us. And of course, when I see the baby, tell her I will say hi.
Yeah, man, for sure. Think about, you know, all the best. Yes. All right, folks, don't go anywhere. After the break, we'll be talking about Reggae Month and Dancehall Week with Christopher Davey. Soon come.
I'll make it out. I know I'll find the strength.